Oh my God! Let's go! Sorry, brother. Ain't no great vibes today. Ah! No! How did it get through my wall? What are you talking about? This game's fucking trash, bro. I'm sleep. I'm going back to Sobo. I'm bent. Yo. This game's fucking trash, bro.
Damn it, dude. Got a campfire to shoot me down. Got the Valor coming friends. Shields are gone on you. 2 hits, 50 health.
Yo, clip that. That was just so clean, dude.
Ooh, boy. Coming out with that weak shit. You already know what time it is, baby. Look at that shit. Oh, damn.
I missed. Oh, because he got sniped. No way. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Clip that. Clip that. Calculated, baby.
Oh!
Dude, fucking awesome play, man. That was sick. Cole actually did get right.
They're also weak.
Not with you.
I got them all. I got them all.
Hold on, I'll get this guy. Calvin's down.
I have a chug dog.
Perfect. He's dead. Dead. Eliminated. I got a pump.
Another pump here.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm not gonna. I need.
Smoked. We got smoked Omega on the menu. Bye-bye. Get out of my face, bro. You can't run from this, man.
Huh, a desert eagle. Hit him. He's all yours. He's building behind you.
Where'd he go?
What the? Good game.
It's hilarious. Oh, this is awkward. I got sniped at.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
He's mad.
Hit the other one. Hit the other one.
Ooh, I thirsted him long distance.
East,
He's
east.
very mad.
Yellow, that guy's super weak. How much heavy do you have?
Got one.
Oh, I got it.
Go up here.
Nice job, dude. Nice job.
He has a minigun out.
I see him.
So this guy was just. Let me get the next one, please. This guy, he just. You don't even want to know what happened.
Oh, get any kill you
Did
need.
you see what happened?
I'm just chilling, dog.
Did you see?
Just got sniped.
Run to you. Or-
I got them all,
Great
dude.
job. Nice.
Do you need a FAMAS? I can give you a FAMAS.
No, I'm looting this. Just
I'm
watch.
watching, I'm watching, I'm
I have a
watching.
fucking deagle.
They're not pushing, they're not pushing.
Okay, I'm gonna loot this last chest. I have minis.
One might be pushing. They got shotties and shit. I had shot one. Oh my god, that
Nice.
was disgusting. Should
We'll
we push on that?
Good shit. I have minis for you.
There's one far to the left, far left. Like southeast,
You want to get close
southeast.
to you?
I'm going in.
I think we just said screw the med kits.
It's all about the kills, man.
Yeah, buddy. Can't win with health. Nice. Hit him for 30 seconds. We are running a train on these guys.
It's pretty good.
Team of boys being left. Sorry. Like, probably a lot of solos and duos and stuff left over.
In retail. I'm broken. Yeah, let's just push this together.
Yeah. I mean, I just ran over here to get to the edge, see if there's anyone along the outskirts.
I should be able to take this guy. I only saw one guy. Oh no. Yeah, I got a little flip. Hi,
I mean, I'm not
got a little
seeing
SMG.
anything.
Yeah, hi. Okay.
He was not alone. On me.
Jug for 10 health? Alright, bet. It didn't finish! It didn't finish because I moved! It didn't. Reed! Reed! Fuck you, Timothy! You're doo-doo!
Nice bloom. Hello? Oh, I have like no AR ammo. I don't have anything I can really do right here. Like peek shot him. See ya. Adios, motherfucker.